What is Mecca to Madina? In Islamic philosophy, Hijrat is not only physical travel. It is an inner migration, explained through symbols and metaphors. Over time, this philosophy was reduced to literal history. Living parables became stories of the past. The true protagonist is our own common sense, symbolically represented as Muhammad. Revelation is for those whose common sense is alive, not for reading alone. Arabia is an inner land where one's own mother tongue is spoken, where borrowed thinking has no authority. Mecca and Madina are states of mind. Mecca is unrest, anxiety, agitation, a disturbed inner condition. Madina is where Deen is established, balance, order, peace. Madina comes from Deen, alignment within. Awakened common sense always lives in Madina. In Madina, anger has no place. This is why Abu Lahab cannot exist there. In Madina, ignorance has no power. This is why Abu Jahl has no place there. Hijrat is necessary. Every human being must migrate inward, from Mecca to Madina. Only then does peace appear. Call it peace, call it Shanti, call it Shalom, call it Islam. The destination is the same. Written by Aqal.